welcome everybody to, I'm not actually sure what this town is. The Tesla nav on the bottom right says Turnbridge, Illinois, but there's a big sign in the middle there that says Kenney, Illinois. So I'm not exactly sure where we are, but we're in one of those towns, or maybe it's a combined town here. See if there's a sign what this town is called. But I believe we're going to the Kenney Fire Department, so that would make sense that we're in Kenney. Kenney, Illinois. The Tesla nav still says, oh, now it says Kenney, Illinois. Okay. Maybe the two towns kind of merged together. That might be the case.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto North Johnston Street.
Definitely sending it into town. It doesn't care. 33 miles an hour, sure. Oh, now we're slowing down a bit. Cool church there. I don't know if it's still a church or a private residence. That happens a lot in
Now turn right onto North Johnston Street.
looks like it's still a church, but that happens a lot where churches, you know, go out, I don't know if going out of business is the right word, but they close and then they become private homes.
In 500 feet, turn left onto East Crosley Street, then turn right.
It's like downtown's in front of us here.
Now turn left onto East Crosley Street.
But we're gonna miss it. We're going to the fire department.
Now turn right.
Where are we turning right? Oh, I thought I was gonna... Oh, it just drove past the road. There's like a really narrow alleyway there that it was supposed
Now
to turn on.
right onto South Henderson Street.
And the car was like, nope, we're not turning down that road. I believe we're on Route 54 in Illinois here, kind of a...
Now turn right onto East Sheldon Street.
We're by the railroad tracks. There's a giant ditch there that the car needs to not drive in. Oh, they're building something.
Now turn right.
We've arrived at the fire department here. Let's go to the Turnbridge town office. I'm not sure if this is a person back there. Oh, it thought the fireman's statue was a person.
Now
That's kind of
turn
funny.
left onto South Johnston Street.
Kind of not on the road, but I guess that's fine. I think we're going to be doing... Oh, there's a car coming. Yep, it sees it. I think we're going to be doing a burnout here. Oh, not too bad of one.
Now turn left onto East Jordan Street.
Kind of sending it pretty fast here. I don't know why. When it knows it has to turn so quick. There's the grain elevators, of course. So we still in Kenney?
500 feet, turn left onto South Fuller Street.
I'm kind of confused on the town names here because we're going to like the Turnbridge town office, but we're in Kenney. How does that even make sense?
Now turn left onto South Fuller Street. In 500 feet, turn right onto East Crosley Street.
And just going right around the
Turn right onto
obstacles.
East Crosley Street.
We turn it out before the tracks here. See, now we're at the
Now your destination
Turnbridge.
is on the left.
Are we in Turnbridge, Illinois now? No, we're still in Kenney. I am very confused. Turnbridge Township. I am very confused. Let's go to Sunnyside Acres. I gotta end. There's no one around me, so if it stops here, oh well. Let's go to Sunnyside Acres. I think that might be an RV park or something. I'm not not sure. Oh, it's getting confused. See what it does here. No trespassing. Car, we can't go back here. Okay, yeah, it can't read the no trespassing sign. I think it was gonna loop around that gravel pile there, but we're not gonna do that because there's a giant no trespassing sign right in front of it. Otherwise I would have let it, but it's kind of confused here because it's like a road and a parking lot at the same time. It doesn't really know what to do.
Now turn left onto South Fuller Street.
Okay, there it goes. It figured it out, I believe. I think it's funny, if there's no stop or yield sign, it just sends it through it, you know, like 15 miles an hour to any intersection or corner.
Now turn left onto East Sheldon Street. Now turn right onto Crosley Street.
It's definitely got the driving around a small town down pat, it seems like.
Now turn left onto East Jordan Street.
Kind of a convoluted way, I think, to get where we're going, but sure, that's fine.
Now
Spinning
turn
the
right
wheels
onto
again.
State Highway 54.
Well, going on the main road's not that exciting, car. Oh, no one's coming. Kind of a really sharp curve there, but it handled it fine. So now we're gonna like floor it all the way up to 60 miles an hour, even though we're turning like right up here. Kenney Road. We have to be in Kenney. I don't know where Turnbridge is coming in from.
500 feet, turn right.
Oh my gosh, that was a bit aggressive. It
Now turn right.
doesn't know what it's doing. Okay, we're going this way. Is this really an RV park? I guess it is. That's interesting.
Now you have arrived at your destination.
We don't want to go down there through the RV. I don't know. Is this an RV park? It must be. Sunnyside Acres Campground. I did not know there was a campground here. That's interesting. All right. I kind of want to go down the main. I think we do this. Oh, I got to end. Let's do this first. Come on, I want to go here, car. Yes, go.
Now turn left onto South Johnston Street.
There's quite a lot of RVs here. It's kind of weird. I wonder if they're like living here. Or, I don't know what you would be vacationing to, and right here. Cold beer, hot food, and slot. Oh, it's got to turn like right here, I think. Okay, we're kind of in the main road here, car. There's no traffic, but oh, it thinks the speed limit's 5 miles an hour. That's why I was going so slow. I didn't think the speed limit was 5. No wonder. I'm like, what are you doing, car? There's giant grain bins of Kenney, Illinois again. Here is downtown Kenney. Don't know what's here. It doesn't look like much. There's a post office, of course. Bar. 2 bars. Or the same bar. I'm not sure. Community center. Yeah, that's about. There it is. There's downtown Kenney. There's a golf cart. What does it see the golf cart as? Oh, a car.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the left.
That's interesting. Sees the golf cart as a car. Oh, I gotta end the trip first, don't I?
Now your destination is on the left.
We'll go
Now
down
turn
here
left
real
onto
quick,
West Isabel
then
Street.
probably exit the town. I believe we've seen, I don't know how it saw around that corner, but it went for it.
Now turn left onto North Alexander Street.
We got some stop signs going this way. The car to the left does not have to stop. So I really don't know how the car knows what is a four-way stop and what isn't, truthfully. Ooh, there's a Kenney water tower. Oh, I guess it is Sunday morning. I'm like, why are there so many parked by the church? Well, yeah, be pretty obvious.
500 feet, turn right onto West Sheldon Street, then turn left.
I'm gonna run right into the grain company. Whoa, that was a... guess I couldn't see well enough, so I had to pull up a little bit.
Now turn right onto West Sheldon Street.
Whoa, very aggressive accelerating and braking there for no real reason. There's a bunch of train wheels randomly. Okay, I'm not sure where it's going to be trying to go here.
Now you have arrived at your destination.
At the grain company in Kenney, a lot of, wonder if they fix train cars here or something. It's kind of interesting. Oh, I always forget I have to end the trip first. Oh, there's Turnbridge down the road here. Like, why is the thing here? It doesn't make any sense. Who came up with that idea? Guess we're gonna head to Clinton next. It's kind of the main place I wanted to go. Let's see, where's a good spot? See if we can get out of here. Oh, it's confused. Okay. I think the speed limit is 10 miles an hour for some reason.
Now turn right onto South Johnston Street.
There's that person in the golf cart. I guess they just drive around. That was a bit aggressive. aggressive there. It floored it and slammed on the brakes at the train tracks. That building looks abandoned, whatever it used to be.
In 500 feet, turn left onto State Highway 54.
And there we go. That is the thrilling, I guess, village or
Turn left onto State Highway 54.
either village or town of Kenney, Illinois here. If we can exit the town, it's having trouble seeing to the right. Okay, there's nothing coming, so it should go. And there we go. We have survived Kenney, Illinois.